Hello! Today, I present a recipe for delicious yeast pancakes with apples. I'll give you a list of the ingredients you'll need, and you can find the same list in the description below the video. I'll also add a link to my blog below the video where you'll find all my recipes. Crumble 35 grams of fresh yeast into a bowl, add a glass of warm milk, 2 tablespoons of flour, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix everything together, then cover it. Mix everything with a spoon, then heat the oil in a frying pan and fry the pancakes over medium heat until they're golden brown, about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. After frying, take them out on paper towels to drain the excess fat. Sprinkle with sugar or powdered sugar. You can serve them with other toppings if you like. The recipe is very simple and the pancakes are delicious and fluffy. You should definitely give them a try.